Hello students, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to give you 6 latest defense updates. Number 1, unveiling stealthy submarine design for P-75I project. TKMS has recently showcased a potentially game-changing submarine design to a select group of Indian media representatives. This offering caters to the Indian Navy's P-75I program, aiming to bolster its underwater fleet. The proposed submarine boasts a radical new concept, stealth shaping. This involves angled sides on the exterior, which, according to TKMS, significantly reduces the submarine's acoustic signature. This translates to a lower probability of detection by active sonar, a crucial advantage in modern submarine warfare. Next, RR offers full technology transfer for joint AMCA engine. In a significant shift for the Indian aerospace industry, Rolls-Royce has proposed a revolutionary collaboration for the Advanced Medium Combat Aircraft program. Alex Zeno, the company's future programs chief, has pledged a complete transfer of intellectual property rights to India for a jointly developed engine. Next, seeking relaxation in Sukhoi 30 MKI technology transfer. India has approached Russia for further transfer of technology for its massive Sukhoi 30 MKI fighter jet fleet, aiming for greater local production with Indian private or public sector companies. This move comes amidst concerns over dwindling supplies due to the ongoing war in Ukraine and Western sanctions on Russia. Next, innovative rubber tracks for Zorawar light tank. The Defense Research and Development Organization recently unveiled its latest innovation, the Zorawar light tank. This 25-ton marvel immediately captured attention due to its advanced rubber track system, a departure from the traditional steel track designs equipped with detachable rubber pads seen on main battle tanks like the Arjun Mk-1A. Designed for operations in high-altitude regions, the Zorawar light tank is specially engineered to navigate steep mountains and cross water bodies such as rivers. This capability is crucial for deployment in areas like the Ladakh region, often referred to as the cold desert. Next, setting sights on International Space Station with potential cargo mission. The ISRO is taking a bold step forward in space exploration, considering a proposal to deliver a cargo mission to the International Space Station by the end of the decade. The ambitious initiative, currently under discussion with ISS partner countries, signifies India's growing capabilities and aspirations in the realm of human space flight. Next, Indian Navy gearing for the future with 74th Marine Propulsion Technology course. The Indian Navy is investing in the future of its marine expertise with the commencement of the 74th Marine Propulsion Technology course at the Military Institute of Technology in Pune. This prestigious program brings together 19 Indian Navy officers, 4 Indian Coast Guard officers and 12 officers from friendly foreign countries including Namibia, Philippines and Sri Lanka. Thank you.